What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and hopefully you did not lose too much money in the markets yesterday when we got this enormous bearish momentum, just to be straight with it. Yeah, in this video we'll talk about what happened and what to expect. I mean, this move was unexpected also by me. I did think we would get some bearish momentum, but I think I said in my video on Ethereum yesterday that I thought we would actually be able to hold 1800 because I expected some bullish momentum, not necessarily now, and that's also what I said in that video, but I did expect it for the short term, so next week or something, which technically could still happen. I mean, Ethereum, we have reached lows we haven't hit since the end of March, but altogether, as you can see, we are still on top of this major support level right here. So we still have that. We actually touched that level as well. I would say it's around 1700. Technically, it's more between 1720 and 1690, but just for simplicity's sake. So in this video, we'll talk about what's next. I mean, I think we can actually, it's the weekend, of course, so usually we stabilize a little bit. But I think there's actually a chance to get some bullish momentum with the dollar strength index that's falling, with some big economic events next week. So yeah, we'll talk about that. But before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Ethereum. So Ethereum fell down pretty hard compared to other cryptos, and I'm not that sure why. Some big cryptos that fell were like Matic, Cardano, Solana. Those cryptos named in those SEC lawsuits as that they are securities, and they also got delisted from Robinhood, some of them. Ethereum actually was not named in those lawsuits, right? So you could actually say that, well, perhaps it's even bullish if they're not sure about the case that Ethereum is a security. Could be bullish. But no, at this point of time, it's still very bearish. We were also a little bit perhaps overpriced compared to Bitcoin. So maybe that's why we're getting this correction, because right now I would argue that we are a little bit more bearish than Bitcoin, whereas first we were a little bit more bullish. But right now on the short term, like I said, we hit a major support level. We had a big crash. Now, historically, when we have crashes like this, it's usually followed by more bearish momentum, and that's definitely true. I mean, that's definitely possible. But then, I mean, we only grazed the top of this support level, so we could just right now we also had a bearish breakout through this level around 1750, which is also a psychological level. We're probably going to get some bearish momentum from there, and it's pretty likely that we'll get into this level even further. But then we still have a lot of support in there. So overall, I think we'll be able to hold that level. And if next week is actually bullish, as it is expected to be by me at least, so if the inflation rate is lower than expected and they're keeping the interest rate the same, then we might actually be able to break above 1750 as well and actually get some bullish momentum. I don't think that's unrealistic. I also don't think that's far-fetched. It's just that right now the markets after a move like this, usually they're very volatile, and a lot of things can happen. So it's always risky to say something like this, and it's either way it's risky to say that we can get bullish momentum when we just had a big crash, off of which we mostly don't even know the reason why we did it, right? I mean, there are multiple reasons we can think of, but such a big sell-off also always has a mysterious element to it. So yeah, that's my take and my opinion on Ethereum right now. So if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.